play with them.
Dumb question to ask.
I'd put it back on. It's over there. See it?
Yes, I know. Okay. Yes, I had to do that.
Try putting it on just to see how it looks.
Crappy.
Just do it anyway. Put it on with the jacket.
Can I do that when it's completely done?
Yeah, I guess you can. It's so raggedy.
Okay. Slice number 2.
You're really slow. Did you do that on purpose?
No.
Where's the marker?
My spinal cord. What's wrong with your spinal cord?
It's Anko's, that's what's wrong with
It
it.
hurts.
Whose boxers are these?
Oh, I don't know that either. Okay, thank you. Fruit of the Loom.
What the? Oh, there's cat treats in there.
Yeah. I have no clue what I'm doing. But I'm doing it.
Shut up, Kermit. Alright. We'll just do the same thing that you did for the other one.
Okay.
I really don't like that voice.
I won't make the same mistake.
What did you do last time?
No, you, my shirt.
Oh, the red shirt.
Yes. It's actually more around.
What the hell was that?
I don't know. What are you doing to that poor cat?
Wouldn't it be cool if you could have pupils like this?
I'm not quite sure. I know what you're talking about.
Look, have pupils like that.
I'm not quite sure.
Look at the freaking cat eye.
I'm looking! That'd be weird.
Have pupils like this. I bet you'd be able to see a lot more. Don't you think?
Hey, I found a way to go around the monster. Yeah.
Well, yeah, but you get more experience if you actually fight it.
Lazy ass bitch.
I think your mom is dying.
Okay.
Think you can beat me?
Stop color.
Well, look at it. Doesn't it look so much cooler now?
If you would.
You could at least say set.
Well, she's a cheating bitch. What do you expect? It's like when John cheated during Manhunt.
Oh, God.
Why?
You don't cheat like that. That would have been hurting.
I thought it was pretty funny, though. It would have been really funny if you actually drove while I was in the car.
Everyone, quick!
That's like cheating to the max.
But it's funny, though. I mean, it's not as bad as if you just walked inside the house that way. Because that's the worst kind of cheating. Cheating inside of a car is cheating, but it's funny cheating.
Man, he did seem very longing during the game.
I don't know, I was hiding in